What do you have?
A firefly.
Does he light up?
Yeah.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
Now be careful. Good.
I want it to be in my hands all
Let me see. Can you open it? Let's see. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
How cool is that?
Oh, look at.
He's climbing up. All right, let him go. Let him go. Let him go join his friends. Go get him. There they are.
Go join your friends.
Is he not going?
Yeah.
Does he like you too much?
I think he likes me. I think he likes me. Isn't this nice that he likes me?
Of course.
Aww.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
Say see you later.
See you later, Mr. Firefly. Go play with your other firefly.